We're just going to go live on Facebook. Well, we're live. Well, before we have any viewers come on, we don't have that many viewers. Just want to show the current project. I do a live feed now and again. This is where we are at the moment. This is, I hope you can see that. So we got approximately a 60 square meter patio. We're using these 1.2 by 300 millimeter planks. There are a couple of existing features in the garden. There is obviously the fence and the boundary wall here, and our client has put, he's done a great job of it, has put these oak sleepers in on this side. That's nothing to do with us. We haven't done that at all. That's what he's done. So he's got this planting pocket here, which works perfectly along this side of the garden. Let me just go over here just so you can have a little mosey from this side. There we are. There you can see it, and you can see those planting pockets. William, how's it going? Good to see you. Thanks for joining. We've got the planting pockets over here. These raised beds, they were already built as well, and he's done a good job of it. There's Jack over there. Got the ruby situated here. Let's just have a look at the house now from this side. You can see got these bifolding doors on here, and they're very nice, aren't they, Jack?
Yeah, lovely doors.
Yeah, great doors, great kitchen. So he'll be able to come out on this very large patio area. Over here you can see that's the garage. That's where I put the digger through, which is part of the house. Somebody said the other day that I never went through the house with the digger, but it's all part of the house over there. That's the garage. That's going to be cladded with, I think, larch. I think it's going to be with larch. Wayne Jones, good evening, good morning, Wayne. How are you? Thanks for joining. Just to show, I haven't done a live stream on YouTube for a while. Sorry that I haven't shaved and it's looking a bit grey, and apparently I'm going a bit thin on top, I was told the other day. There you go. So these were already here, these planting pockets, and again, let's just come through here just to show you what the customer's looking great. That's off William. There'll be some grass though. Yeah, absolutely. Let's just have a look over here. My arm's killing me now. So you come through here, you can see the grass. Yeah, there is some grass. And again, what Gareth, our client, he's put this oak sleeper system around. Just have a look around here. You can see it right over there. And there's another. I'm good. No worries, Wayne. I'm glad you joined us, mate. Oak sleepers again in a vertical format. He's got that meandering over there, very square and formal area on here. I love those oak sleepers, and he's done such a fantastic job of that. Just have a look from this side of the garden. You can see the raised beds. Again, they're already existing. The only problem we had with these raised beds, they weren't quite square. Okay, they weren't quite square. So it was a bit difficult doing the picture framing. If you have a look how we've done that picture framing round here, you can see it down there, right down the side. And we've come round here and we've done the mitre. So when you do the mitre, okay, we're cutting at a 45, but when we're dropping them in against the wall, they're not running square and true. So we've had to recut them, so they're not exactly a true 45. But the look is okay. The look is okay. It's working. Just turn around here. Sorry about that. And then you can see how it comes along the front here, going into the lawned area. We picture frame's got to go around there. And if you look at these bays here, what we've done on there, you can see where we've done it halfway, okay, because one piece wasn't long enough to go all the way across. So you can see that we've gone into the center. You can see the pencil mark on the wall, and then we've gone that way and that way to try and make things look a little bit equidistant. But you can see over here how it's going around there, and it's working. Again, here, this bay here, just want to put out this bay here, the width of that bay was actually wider than that bay there, so they're not quite even, I should say. So the patio is going to come across here. There's the garage over there. The patio is going to come in this part. The fence is going to go up, and we're going to finish just along here where the mixer is, this squared area over here. So just wanted to show you what we're doing. I haven't done a live feed for a while on YouTube. Just being so busy. I don't do so much on Instagram and social medias like I used to. We've got the eco drainage running alongside the garage here, and we've got a gap to make sure that nothing touches the wall. Okay, we want nothing touching that wall, and we've got to make sure that things stay as dry as possible. The eco drainage runs along here. It is falling this way because it's going with the patio. These porcelain planks. These porcelain planks look great. They do, Gareth. Yeah, I like them. Good morning. How are you, mate? Nice work. Direction of the paving. Yeah, interesting. The thing is about running things at diagonals is it makes things look a little bit more wider and it gives a bit of a wow factor. Love the job. Angle of the paving adds so much. Yeah, it does. I think it does. If you have a look at it from here, it's different, isn't it? It's different. We've got to be able to do things differently and deliver things in a different way. So as I was saying, the eco drainage is running that way with the patio. So when the water runs in and runs down, it runs into the eco drainage. But what happens underneath there is that we've got a 4-inch domestic pipe which comes back around here to the gully pot and picks up a couple of down pipes as well here and here. So it's going to work. And thanks everybody for the thumbs up. Keep liking and subscribing. I really appreciate it. I hope you're safe where you are and what you're doing. And if you're going to do something, do it well. Amazing work as usual, John. Sitting here in the rain waiting for it to stop. I can grow out my patio. Yeah, do you know, that's the thing that we have to do. Have a great day. Or yeah, listen, seriously, did the client consider contrasting color for the... Do you know, that is a massive point. I think the thing is, Gareth, what the problem was is that at the moment is having access to see products, and a lot of premises that sell product don't necessarily have these display areas, and you've got to make appointments to go into these places to go and view the products, and that's difficult in itself. And you really want to go down there and you want to go with your client and talk about the options. And the thing is, when you talk about it in the house, we can't get the samples at the moment, and you want to be able to go down to these display areas and demonstrate on the floor how it works. So yeah, I think you're right. I think maybe it did need a contrasting edge to set it off, but I think it works. It's different. But that is a valid point, and I really appreciate you sort of raising that as well. And I've actually thought about that on many occasions, but unfortunately, maybe I should open my own display area and we can get clients to come around and have a look to see what we're doing. Hiya, bud. How's it going? Willow Park Gardens. Yeah, listen, we'll all survive. We'll all get through this at the moment. The only thing we got to put up with at the moment is the weather, the bad weather. It's not good at all. Got a bit of cutting to do this morning, so I'm going to get on with it. I hope this has helped in some way, in some capacity, and you're able to move on and take something from it. Thanks, Gareth. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. That's it. See you soon. Keep liking and sharing. Just be safe. See you soon. Bye.